Hello, rising parents. If you are new to this channel, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. Today I'm going to share 10 tips to help you get your child to sleep at bedtime. And, as always, we will share our Great 8 from Amazon in this video. For those of you that are new to our channel, our Great 8 are 8 products from Amazon that will help you accomplish your parenting goals. Today's Great 8 will help you achieve your child's sleep routine. So, without further ado, let's get started. How do you get your kid to sleep in their own bed? As a parent, there are few things more difficult than getting your kids to bed. Between questions about everything from what's under their bed to why the moon is up in the sky, it can feel like each night takes an eternity. Here are 10 tips on how to make this process easier and get your child sleeping in their bed faster. 1. Set a bedtime routine. Every night, school-aged children need between 9 and 11 hours of sleep. However, sleep requirements and patterns vary greatly. Regardless of what you do, most children have predictable routines. Even if you put them to bed later, early risers will still wake up early, while night owls will not fall asleep until their bodies are ready. As a result, it's critical for parents to work with their children to establish a responsible bedtime routine that allows them to get enough rest and wake up on time. 2. Set a wake-up routine. Set a wake-up time for your child based on how much sleep they need and when they go to bed. Establish a wake-up ritual as early as the preschool years to help alleviate stress in the future. And don't forget to stick to the schedule. Allowing your child to sleep in on weekends is a sweet gesture, but it may backfire in the long run. Those extra hours of sleep will make it difficult for their bodies to feel sleepy when it's time to go to bed. However, if you can keep bedtime and wake-up times the same, within an hour or so every day, you will make everyone's lives so much easier. 3. Create a consistent evening routine. Infants, toddlers, and preschoolers need routines more than anyone else. After dinner, the rest of the evening should include light playtime, a bath, brushing teeth, a bedtime story, and finally sleeping. Aim for a soothing and relaxing routine to create the optimal bedtime environment. Before long, your child's body may automatically start to become sleepy at the beginning of the routine. 4. Turn off the screens. Melatonin is a crucial component of the sleep-wake cycle. Most people are sleepy and ready for bed when their melatonin levels are at their peak. At least 2 hours before bedtime, turn off the screens. The production of the hormone melatonin can be disrupted by blue light from a television screen, phone, or computer monitor. Watching TV, playing video games, or scrolling web pages on a phone or computer right before bed keeps your child up an extra 30 to 60 minutes. Make the bedroom a screen-free zone, or at the very least ensure that all screens are turned off before bedtime. When you're in your child's room, put your phone on mute or don't bring it in at all. Instead of screen time in the evening, read to your child to allow their brain to rest. 5. Reduce stress before bedtime. Cortisol, widely known as the stress hormone, is another hormone that affects sleep. Your child's body will be unable to shut down and sleep if cortisol levels are high. Pre-bedtime activities should be tranquil. This can help your child avoid having too much cortisol in his or her system. Reducing stress makes it easier to fall asleep. 6. Create a sleep-inducing environment. Soft sheets, room darkening curtains, and relative quiet can assist your child in distinguishing between day and night, making it easier for him or her to go asleep. It is essential to creating a sleep-inducing environment since it reduces distractions and thus sets the stage for sleep. When you're calm, you're less likely to be disturbed, which means you'll fall asleep faster and with less effort. 7. Keep it cool. Your child's sleep cycle isn't solely influenced by light, or the lack thereof. It's also temperature sensitive. Melatonin levels aid in the regulation of the internal body temperature drop required for sleep. You can, however, assist in regulating the outside temperature. Don't overwrap your child in blankets or turn up the heat. At night, dress your youngster in breathable cotton pajamas and keep the room temperature between 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 18.3 to 21.1 degrees Celsius. 8. Help alleviate fears. While ghosts and other scary creatures may not actually exist at night, instead of ignoring your child's anxieties, discuss them with him or her. If basic reassurance fails, consider having a particular toy stand guard at night or spraying the room with monster spray before going to bed. Schedule time during the day to talk about any fears they have, rather than waiting until bedtime. Children are smart, and they will quickly figure out that if they use the time to voice their bedtime fears, they may delay bedtime. 9. Reduce the focus on sleep. It can be difficult for children to turn off their brains for the night. Instead of adding to your child's anxiety by insisting that it's time to go to bed now, try focusing on relaxation and keeping them calm. Teach your child how to relax their body by using deep breathing techniques. Inhale for 4 seconds through your nose, hold for 5 seconds, and exhale for 6 seconds through your mouth. Younger children can simply practice inhaling and exhaling deeply. 10. Be on the lookout for sleep disorders. Your best laid plans may not always produce the desired results. Your child may have a sleep disorder if they have trouble falling asleep, have frequent nightmares, snore, or breathe through their mouth. If you have any concerns about your child's sleeping habits, always consult your pediatrician. They might refer you to a sleep specialist or give you other suggestions to try so that everyone in the family can get a good night's sleep. Now let's take a look at our Great 8 from Amazon. Today's Great 8 will help you with your child's new sleep routine. 1. Ozzy's Sleep Aid for Children. 2. SmartyPants Kid Sleep Gummies. 3. Night Light for Kids with Sound Machine. 4. Little Hippo Mela Ready to Rise Children's Trainer. 5. Plant Therapy KidSafe Sweet Slumber Essential Oil Blend. 6. Now Foods Peaceful Sleep Oil Blend. 7. Diffuser with essential oils included. 8. Smart Wi-Fi Essential Oil Aromatherapy Diffuser. I will put the Amazon links to these Great 8 in this video description below. All our Amazon product links in this video description will take you straight to the official Amazon website and will never increase the price of the product you choose to purchase. Also, every purchase you make through our Amazon product links helps fund our charity, selflessoutreach.org. So, turn your next Amazon order into a charitable contribution at no additional cost to you. Thank you for your support. This concludes, how do you get your kid to sleep in their own bed? Give these tips a try. Also, try at least one of our Great 8. I think you will find that once you have your routine in place, you will start seeing the results you want. As always, please give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Goodbye for now and have a great day.